Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hopefully you all are practicing and taking help from my videos. Please do share and get this going till Ramadan and prepare yourself to recite very nicely this Ramadan, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, today what are we going to see? We are going to see the topic called as leen. I really request the brothers and sisters who are here, without watching the madda video, I want you to please go back and check it out, then come and watch this. Okay, please don't continue. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, if you did not go, trust me, you will not understand this. Okay, so you can go. The rest of the brothers and sisters who just came from the madda chapter, or you have completed mashallah successfully everything, now this is the concept that we are going to discuss. Now that is leen. It is very much like madda concept. What is madda? If you can recall, what was madda? Madda was extension, elongation, right? Anything extended is called as madda. And we had three types of maddas, right? A sound, E sound, and U sound wale. So how did you achieve A sound? From alif mad. Yes. How did you achieve U sound? From waw mad. And ya, E sound you achieved from the ya madda. Okay, what was the pattern there? Alif along with fatha for the same letter gives a sound, and that's alif madda. Waw with dhamma is waw madda. Ya with kasra was ya madda. Right now, so if you can observe, symbol was changing throughout, right? In leen you just have got two types, that is waw leen and ya leen, and here the symbol doesn't change. It is going to be the same. It will not change. It is fatha. Okay, and what do you think the sound is gonna be? तो वहाँ पर आ प्लस आ था, तो यहाँ पर this is a and वाव sound is u. It is gonna be au. Okay, here what is the sound? Fatha is gonna give you a sound, ya is gonna give you e sound, and so leen, ya leen का sound होगा I. Au, I. Okay, in madda there was extension, but in leen there is no extension. Okay, so these are like the comparisons. क्या है comparisons? Basically वहाँ पर three types थे, यहाँ पर only two types you have. There in madda you have got three types, right? Alif mad, waw mad, and ya mad. In leen you just have two types, that is waw leen and ya leen. Okay, there the haraka used to be changed. Fatha was associated with alif, dhamma with waw, kasra with ya. Right, the symbol kept on changing. Symbol was changing. Okay, here symbol remains same, and it is gonna be always fatha. Okay, here you do extend, you will stretch. Okay, you will extend and read. Here you will not extend, you will not do I, you will not do au. It is just I, au. Okay, in my name is Nausheen. So if you can just see, there is one leen and there is one madda also. Okay, where is leen, where is madda? Yes, see here, this is waw leen. Yes, if it was waw madda, it would be nu. Now it is now. You must not extend, it is now. And here there is extension, sheen. So it is ya madda. Okay, sheen is having ya and kasra together, so that is ya madda. Okay, so there is one more question that may arise. Why only two types? Why not alif leen? Why there is no alif leen? As said, just imagine, consider alif leen ho bhi jata hai. So you have got alif, and what is one condition? Here the haraka doesn't change. So which haraka always comes in leen? You will always have fatha. So alif with fatha, what is it already? Alif and fatha. Yes, it is a madda. Right now, so you already have alif madda. Alif and fatha will give you a plus a sound. The extension is gonna come. This is alif madda already, so there is no alif leen. You just have two, and that is waw leen and ya leen. Okay, let us see few examples. Okay, so you have got both madda and leen for the comparison. So what is this? Alif hamza ko fatha bhi hai, waw bhi hai, so it is au. Okay, no extension, don't do au, it is just au. The next one, taubatan. If for ta, it was having waw madda, then what would this be? Obviously ता को दम्मा होता and तऊबतन नहीं तूबतन हो जाता. Okay, same thing मऊती यौमइदिन, यहाँ पर है वाव madda. Excellent, not waw leen. See the examples, au is leen, u is waw madda. Okay, yasumuna, you're extending. Whenever waw mad is there, alif mad or ya mad is there, you'll extend. Yasumuna. Takunu, if for takunu waw madda ke alawa if waw leen was there, how would you have read? Obviously यहाँ पर फथा हो जाता and that would be takawnu, takawnu. Okay, here can we just see what is the rule there? Qaf के ऊपर क्या है? Qaf is having waw leen or waw madda? Yes, it is waw leen because Qaf has got fatha and it has got waw, so it is qaw. We should not extend there, right? Whenever leen comes, no extension. Mad comes, do extend. And noon, what is it having? Yes, it is having alif madda, so it will be qawmuna. Yes, यहाँ पर yalqawna or yalqawna, just short. Yes, it is short because qaf is not having madda. If madda was there, then you would have extended. It would be yalquna. Okay, यहाँ पर noon is having what? Waw madda or waw leen? Yes, it is having waw madda. So when you have waw and pesh, then it is waw mad. Yes, taskununa. यहाँ पर yawmin, is it waw madda or waw leen? So ya is having waw and fatha. So whenever fatha comes before waw or ya, then it is waw leen and ya leen respectively. Okay. If you just go to the next one, here you have the comparison of ya madda and ya leen. Ai, so what is it? Is it madda or leen? Yes, it is leen. This one, e, this is madda. Laysa, laysa. Laam is having what? Ya leen or ya madda? Ya leen, because it is lay, I sound, right na? Here, next one, if you just take alimun, alimun, what is it? Alimun, it is extending, right? Now that is gonna be ya madda. Shahidun, so ha is having ya madda or ya leen? It is having ya madda. Excellent, mashallah. Hopefully you have understood this video. Please do share and keep practicing. Ramadan tak हमें पढ़ना है properly इंशाअल्लाह ताला. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.